Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Valentine's Day skull look. If you couldn't tell, I am not a big Valentine's Day fan, so I figured if I was going to do a Valentine's Day look, it was going to be unique, it was going to be me, and it was going to be somewhat spooky. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright, the face painting bun is locked in and ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is just cover my whole face other than around my eyes in white paint. So I am using the Snazzaroo Clown White, and we're just gonna cover this whole face. This is a little different than other skulls I've done because we are covering the entire face other than the eye part, just because, I mean, if you get a little white around the eye, it's not a big deal. But usually I'm shading with black, but today, since I'm shading with pink, I want there to be no patchiness underneath because I'm using a pink shadow rather than a pink paint. So I want everything to have a base. Plus I don't want to be stained with pink eyeshadow for the next week and a half. Like, I have things to do and places to go, so I don't want to look like I have pink eye or something, or some sort of horrible skin reaction going on. Patting it out with a sponge just to make everything nice and even. Make sure we don't have any parts that are patchy or too thick. Make sure we pat it in over the brows to lay them down a little bit. You can block out your eyebrows if you're doing this for any specific reason, or you want to try it out yourself. And now I'm just going to pat over the eyelids so that there is a base for our shadows without having to use a separate eyeshadow base. I just don't like taking a full brush of paint across my eyes just because it's sometimes it gets too thick and kind of creases. Alright, now that we are nice and ghostly looking, I am going to start working on the contouring parts of this look. So I am going into the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going into color Cavity because it is the perfect kind of pink that I want for this look. And we are going to draw hearts for our eyes. So, just gonna map it out with a pencil brush. And then right here, I'm just going to draw in where the contours would be for the temples. So they just kind of come down and they're gonna just touch the edge of the heart. And the nose, I'm gonna make look like an upside down heart. So for this, you kind of just follow the shape of your nose, really. Just kind of go in like that. I suck at drawing skull noses, so it's gonna get filled in anyway, but you can just kind of see what we're going for here. So now with a bigger fluffy brush, I'm gonna go into Cavity and we're just gonna fill in these areas that we just created. So now for the teeth, I'm going to use this pencil in, I think it's Dollhouse Pink. from NYX, and we're just going to draw in kind of the general shape of teeth. So now to add a little bit of dimension to everything, I'm going to go into root canal, which is this dark purple, and deepen up some of these areas that I want to be deeper. So kind of in the center of the temple area. And then in the cheek hollows. Taking the same brush, I am going to outline the hearts in the purple so they look a bit more sunken in. So I have my lashes on. These are obviously optional, but now I'm gonna put on some stones. We're gonna do some rhinestones, kind of just in a few little places, nothing crazy. I'm gonna put one here and then also one on the other side. For the fun part, I am going to use some UV paint. I am going to use the pink and purple in here, and we're going to do a little outlining, a little detail work. Okay, so everything has been outlined in pink paint. Now we are going to add in some stuff with purple. Alright, you guys, so here it is. Oh, my teeth look really white. Under the black light, you can see the outline of the hearts. You can see the little hearts in the jaw, the teeth. My shirt is glowing. I did put on my pink wig, so it kind of glows as well. Give you guys a little effect. So it does pretty much cover up the other contours, but you can see the heart in the jaw, the glowing teeth. It's a look. I love it. So this is how it looks with the wig without the black light. It's just a pretty simple scale look. I really like the hair with it. I think it adds a little something, even though it does cover the kind of forehead contour. You could kind of like pull it back and see it. So it's just all about basically how the hair lays, but this is how it looks in normal light. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day or anti-Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.